Hi, welcome to the channel. Here I post challenging math problem video daily. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So we have a problem based on ellipse. So this is basically a matching type problem. Okay, means there are four problems. Okay, and this is the from the basic definitions of the ellipse, and we have to find the eccentricity in all the cases. Okay, so let's say the first problem is if the vertices of a rectangle of maximum area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So let's draw the ellipse. So let's say this is the ellipse, and are the extremities of the lattice rectangle. So let's say this is the rectangle. Okay, and so let's say this is p point. So let us assume this as a cos theta, b sin theta. Okay, so area of this rectangle is 2a cos theta into 2b sin theta. So this is nothing but 2ab and sine 2 theta. Okay, so if this area has to be maximum, so which means this theta, this sine 2 theta is 1. Okay, so this is 2ab for the maximum area, and it is given that these points are the extremities of this lattice rectum. So let's say p point is nothing but ae comma b square by a. So in other word, if we find the area of this rectangle in terms of ae and b square by a, so this is 2ae into 2b square by a. So this is same as 2ab. Okay. So now just we have to find the value of this e. So this is e equal to okay, 1 2 is remained, and this b square will get cancelled. So we have a by b. Okay, so 2e is a by b. So let's square it. So we have 4e square equal to a square by b square, and our e square equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So we can write this as so let's say this is uh, b square by a square equal to 1 minus e square. So this is 1 minus e square. Okay, so we can write this as 4 e square equal to 1 by 1 minus e square. So 4e to the power 4 minus 4 square. This is plus just a minute, and this is 1. So we can write this as 4 e to the power 4 minus 4 square plus 1 equal to 0. So this is nothing but 2 square minus 1 whole square. So e is 1 by root 2. So the first option, this a is q. Okay, so let me write this, a is q. Next is if the extremities of the diameter of a circle x square plus y square equal to 16 are the foci of the ellipse. So let me draw. So for the second portion, so let's say this is portion a. Okay, so the portion b. So let's say this is the circle. Okay, so this circle is given as x square plus y square equal to 16. So this is 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0, and this is 0 comma 4. Okay, so and this what it is given as extremities of the diameter of the ellipse are the foci of the ellipse. Okay, so this is one diameter, this is These are the foci of the ellipse. So let's draw the ellipse, and it is given as the then the eccentricity of the, if the size is just sufficient to contain the circle, which means this ellipse will pass through this point. Okay, so this is the ellipse. Okay, and these are the two focus point, S and S dash, for example. And if this touches the circle, so this is B. So B is 4 and AE is 4. Okay, now we have to find the value of this E. So what we can do is we just uh, write, say, E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square. So if we cross multiply, so A square is square equal to A square minus B square. So this is A square is 16, A square minus B square is 16. So A square is 32. So now E square equal to 1 minus A square by B square. B square is 16 by 32. So this is half. So this is half. So E is 1 by root 2. Again, the option of B is also Q. So B is also Q. Now C. C is the, if the normal at point 6 comma 2 to the ellipse pass through the nearest focus. Let me write. So C. So let's say this is the ellipse, and this is given, the nearest focus is 5 comma 2. This is 5 comma 2. So this is 5 comma 2, and center is 4 comma 2. So this is the center. So this is 4 comma 2. Okay, and this is 6 comma 2. So we have to draw the normal. Okay, so normal is, this is the tangent at this point, and this is the normal at this point. So which means this is the same axis of this ellipse. Okay, so let me write. So this length is A and this length is AE. So A means this is 2. Okay, and AE means 1. So we just divide this, so we can find E as half. So C is S. C is S. Now last option D. If the extremities of the lattice rectum of the parabola, okay, the last question is if the extremities of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square equal to 24x. So let's draw this figure. Uh, option last question is, this is the parabola y square equal to 24x, which means its A is 6. Okay, so it is given that the extremities of the lattice rectum of the parabola are the foci of the ellipse. So let's say this is the extremities of the parabola. So extremities of the lattice rectum of the parabola. So this is 6 comma 0. So this is A comma 2A means 6 comma 12, and this is 6 comma minus 12, and this is the axis of the uh, ellipse. Okay, so let's say and if the ellipse passes through the vertex of the parabola, then its eccentricity. So which means this ellipse is passing through this. Okay. This is the figure. Okay. So these are the focus S and S dash, and this is 0 comma 0. This is the vertex of the ellipse. So this is the elongated ellipse elongated along the parallel to y-axis. Okay, so which means here our equation of the uh, ellipse is like this, and where a is less than b. Okay, so let's say uh, actual equation must be x minus 6 greater than 0. So just let me write the actual equation. So this is the equation. Okay, so okay, now this is the focus of the ellipse. So this is let's say AE is okay, so let's say 2AE. 2AE means this SS dash. SS dash means 24. So AE is 12. Okay, and now this is B. Okay, so this B is equal to 6. Okay, so just we can write this as say B square. Wait just a minute. B square equal to 1 minus B square by A square. Okay, so A square equal to A square minus B square. So A square means 144. So this is 144. This is A square minus B square is 36. So A square is 144 plus 36, which means uh, 180. So A square is 180. B square is 36. So we have, and A square is 180. So E is under root 1 minus B square by A square to 36 by 180. So which means 1 by 5 means 4 by 5 means 2 by root 5. Okay, so 2 by root 5 means our option B. Okay. So this B is option B. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so this is all for today. See you in the next video.